Yo, what's up? How we doing, chat? Dude, there's a loud car outside my house right now. You can probably hear it. Bro's like revving his engine over and over right now. I don't know what he's doing. What's up? We're gonna be working on this Christmas update for my game. And now the dogs are going off. This is a great start. Anyways, we're gonna be working on various things. What's up, Mark? What's up, Globert? Making an admin panel, it's fire. Um, we gotta finish this up. I'm supposed to release this update tomorrow, and we still have stuff to do. But I should be able to get it done. We're gonna work on gears, finishing up rebirth stuff. Um, Probably gonna do this. This. This could be held off. Technically, it doesn't need to be added to this update, but it'd be nice. And we gotta make the Christmas items quest. I actually wonder if all the Christmas items are done. Nope. We need like 5 more on top of this. Kinda wanna make this like more like a cube, probably. I don't know. Or at least like, hold on. Something like that. Anyways, um, let's do the floor. Third floor for rebirths. Hold on. This should be pretty easy to implement. Yeah. Okay. I gotta set up the shelves for this. How you doing today, TK? Can basically just do this. Yeah. Oops. Do I want this here? Oh wait, we can't have a shelf here, duh. I can put it here. I guess. I don't know. But kinda want this over here. Yeah. Like that. What's up? How's it going? Oh, hi, Bob. I'm doing good, TK. My bad. I didn't see your chat. Also, I'm not muted. What do you mean I'm muted? I'm doing good. Just working. How are you doing? Does this go through the like the roof? Hold on. No. Okay. What do you mean you can't hear me? This is just how the mic is. I can try to fix it, but like, yeah, maybe you're just deaf. This is how my mic always is. Bob, I literally call with you and my mic is like this. You're tripping. Okay. Well, oh well, I guess. I'll try to fix it later. Okay. I think all of this should be fine. And then right here. L. Wait, I could just do this. There we go. Dude, I think this is the most amount of like active chatters I've had on a stream. This is fire. I think this should work. What do you mean ban all? Don't ban everyone. I can't lose my viewers. I have no idea if this third floor is gonna work. Okay. Well, that thing moved up, so that's good, but it didn't spawn the third floor. Okay, well, so you were blaming me for you having a quiet headset. Good job, buddy. Why is this not working? Oh, it might be the lack of primary part. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Hold on, bruh. This is annoying. Wait, what? Oh, is this just invisible? Oh yeah, it is. Okay. Well, okay. Now this should work, I think. True, Bob is in the update. What's up, Target? How you doing, Target? EXE. Dude, where's the third floor? What's going on? Oh, I might know why, actually. No, I think it's because I was looping, like I was getting the number of new floors, and the first new floor is 1. Okay, now I'm not even at my shop. What happened, bro? Alright, guys. This is not going well. Why is it going there? I need to pivot it to the last floor, not the... Oh my gosh. Pivot to... Instead of base model. Wait. Anyways, I didn't finish what I was saying, I don't think. But I was saying, see how I'm looping like 1, starting at 1, and then the number of new floors? So like, it was getting the floor right here, and it was just this. So like, it was doing floor 1 instead of floor 2 for the second floor. So I just added a +1, and then it worked. That's why the third floor wasn't appearing, because it was only getting the second floor. Because it took floor 2. Floor 2 was supposed to be floor 3. I don't know. I hope that makes sense. It's an update for my new game. You should play it. But this update's, if all goes well, this update's coming out tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, stop trying to IP grab my viewers. Come on. Stop trying to get their IPs, dude. Okay, and then I have to set the last floor to the current floor. the way like down here. Bro said, how do I ban? No, don't ban. You don't even know how to ban people? What a great moderator. Why am I getting an error? I'm saying. This is literally just trial and error right now. I fix something and then something new pops up. Okay, yet again. Now why isn't this? Oh, did I not set up the slots? Whoopsies. It's okay. Put it here. And then... Okay, that seems good. And I have to renumber these. Will that work properly? The slots, I think. Or do I have to... Do I have to start from 17? So like... Wait, what is this? Okay, well I don't want that. I think I might have to start from 17. Because it'd be the 17th slot. Okay, there. I think like that. Is the update just being a 3-floor house? No. There's it's a whole like Christmas update and this is just part of it. Okay, well the 3rd floor is there. It's just not rotated properly. That's okay. I can fix that. Why is this like that? actually. Rather than put the attribute there, I'll put it here. I think I wouldn't want any rotation, right? Or would I want that? I don't know. Check DMs. Why'd you both DM me? Okay, Bob. Look at this. Bob, you're toxic. You sent. Oh, that's crazy. Deserved. Deserved, honestly. Alright. Now this I should be able to just do. Oh, I should do a vector 3 actually. That'll make things easier. W. Server hopping does like nothing, though. Yeah, but isn't the exotic spawn the same? I mean, attempt to index nil. What? Does it not exist yet or something? Hmm? Oh. Dude, what's the error for this time? What do you mean? Okay, yo, what's going on now? This is not working the way it's supposed to. Oh, well, I know why the rotation was off, actually. Because I need to do... Okay, but... No, yeah, I got it. I just wasn't using radians. I was using degrees. Why doesn't it have the gate button in floor 3? It's right here. Like, hello? Look, it's giving me the same... dude, the gate button exists. So I don't understand this. Doesn't even make sense. Okay, it's rotated the wrong way. That's cool. That's okay. To be honest, by the way, marked, I never make admin panels. I just use, you know, CMDR. It's goated. I use that for literally everything. Admin panels, I guess, would be good if you have like moderators. You know, simplify it for them. But yeah. Like this printed gate button. So why would this be nil? Because activate barrier gets called here. There goes the chat refreshing for no reason. Yeah, makes sense. I guess this would just be 0. Right? See, yeah, barrier button's nil. But I don't understand why. This is working now. W. Let's go. Okay, I don't know why the unlock barrier thing is visible. And I can't get into my own plot. That's cool. Oh, I might have to do it this. But, it's kind of working. Wait, but then why doesn't 951 right here, it's saying this is nil. But then right here, it worked. Oh, so it's a different one that's nil. Never mind. Wait, but why? What? just doesn't make sense. Okay, have fun, Bob. Dude, I'm so confused. I can't lie. Like, what do you mean? I think it's removing it from the first one for some reason. Oh, it's because this isn't named properly. Be so for real right now. That was the problem this whole time. What's up, Fart Dart 2323? Okay, cool. Now it's working. Okay, well the third floor has this for some reason. Actually, I think I might know why. Mr. Fart Dart, my bad. My bad. I'll get it right next time. Won't happen again. Oh, is that Kaz Ez? Dude, why is this not working? I mean, it's something on the client. But like, why? Also, the shelves aren't right. Is it okay? I've always called him Kaz Ez in my head. I know, but like, I've just always pronounced it Ez in my head. Prompt. I only do floor 2 here. Yeah. It's unfortunate. Let's go! Okay, now I need to figure out why the shelves aren't working. I think it might be the same thing of I can't go from 1, I need to go from 17. So this would be 17, 21, 25, I think. Face ID verification. I think it's not great because it's not accurate. And the whole thing of like limiting chat to certain ages is really bad because you're basically allowing for like ranked based matchmaking is the simplest way to put it. But like bad people. Oh, these stairs are like inside the wall. That probably should be fixed. But like bad people can now just easily like lie about their age and then be able to talk to whatever age group they want. Okay, so this worked, which is cool. Oh my gosh, what is happening? But why is this active? But yeah, I don't think it's great. It allows bad people to more easily talk to specific age groups. Man, why is this? Oh, that's there. That's why. I want to move this one over a bit. Like maybe centered with this pole. Yeah. And that's like fine. It's whatever. So the stairs. What is this? Oh. Yeah. Hmm. That could work. Wait, we hit 7 viewers earlier? That's crazy. Peak. Oh yeah, I made it where the top one doesn't show anymore. Okay. There goes the dogs. What is this, like, block right here? Oh my gosh, they don't stop barking. What is, I don't know what this block is. Okay, my bad. Okay, third floor done. I could put in the Christmas items that we have so far. Hold on. Oops. Okay. Yeah, this could be like this tall. Say bless you right now, guys. Or you're mean. Oh, this might be too big, actually. I don't know. I think this should be fun. It's like a miniature sleigh. Thank you. Oh, I kind of need all the items so I know like how to sort them or how I want to sort them. What I do want to do is I might. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look who it is. It's the modeler, Huntsman. He's here. Okay. Let's work on gears. Oh yeah, I don't know if I can do a snowball launcher. Cause I'm using Roblox gears, and I kind of want to keep that kind of thing. But I have these two Christmas themed launchers, and I'm curious how they'll work. I kind of want to test them out to see what they even do to begin with. Okay. Launches a present, as expected. I think there was an error with it, but that's fine. And that launches a Christmas tree, as expected. Hold on. Ooh, it removes weight. I could use this as a snowball launcher. Because the present is separate on this. I could just replace the present with a snowball. And then make it where it shoots straight. I can work with this. Okay. So no tree launcher. Present launcher. Yeah. Move the mesh and then just make this a sphere. Scale it up. Boom. We have a snowball. I think I'm gonna just code this all myself, basically. Okay. Let's make a snowball launcher, guys. Wait. I guess I could just do that. Wait. This, yeah. Okay. Oh. Duh. Isn't there a way to get like the floor material of an object? Like without raycasting down? Or is that for humanoids only? Is that for humanoids? It is for humanoids, man. That's annoying. I wish that existed for like parts. I guess you could do touching parts to see if it's touching anything. Okay. What's the other? I don't remember the other part of this. Fling velocity. That's it. Okay, bets. How's it going over here? Ooh. Give me a little snowball. Probably make this a little bigger. This too. Just making a snow globe right now. What's cooking? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9. Cool. Okay. So there's that. The touch part. Do I want to handle... Yeah. I will handle it there. Okay. Oops. What am I doing? Could do apply impulse, right? Which would be mouse C frame dot hit. Oh, okay, yeah. Wait, I have to get it from the character, duh. What am I doing? You. Why is everyone from like NCAA coming in here, bro? I know it like shows it as my Discord status or whatever, but typically nobody comes in from the league. Oh, actually, fire. What do you mean bottom 5 dev? More like top 5. I think, right? Yeah. Wait, I wonder. Ooh, that could work. I don't even need this then. I think this might work. Also, bets, there's not even 20 reverse in the game yet. The goal only goes up to 10. This update adds 11 and 12 though. I need to change this icon. I don't even know if this works. Like as is. I feel like I could get better sound than that. Wait, I saw something. Okay. It just affected myself. I forgot to make that not happen. Whoopsies. Wait, I can't get up. What the? Okay. Well, player does equal. Okay. So just go straight down. Wait, no, it's getting shot. There's just a delay. Huh. It's collidable. I don't want it to be collidable. The snowball should be. Also, cannot drop. Now there's no velocity at all. Can there be you as a brain rot? No, sorry. Does not work if the network owner or is there just not enough time for it to work? Oh wait, it's kind of working. What? There was some velocity on the first couple. Weird. Okay, might have to just do this. Because this works. It just needs more velocity. And probably a bigger snowball. What's the property called? Depth mode. Ooh. Dude, that's a strong freaking cannon. I think I might just add arc to it. More so. So just raise the Y velocity, basically. Okay, well, kind of what I wanted. Not exactly, though. I guess, how could I... I want to give it, like, less gravity in a way. Oh, you know what I could do for that? I think. Vector force. And then enable that. Kind of. Not really. This is not enough force, I guess. Oh, do I need an attachment? I do need an attachment. Okay. Something happened. Wait, there's a cool shades. I'm taking that. Hold on. Anyways. Okay. Something happened. Not quite what I wanted to happen, but let's lower the force of that, I guess. The thing is, I want this to work like a body force, but those are deprecated. But I think vector force should do the same thing, if not similar. Is it just too much? Might just be too much. Let's go 10, I guess. Okay. Yes, kind of. But I don't want it to float up. Wait, that's so weird. That's like, the physics on that are so weird. What if it's just one? We're getting there, I think. It's just trial and error, over and over. We'll go 4. With that, but then also add a little more force. Yes. Oh my gosh, this is like kind of what I wanted. Okay, slightly too fast. I just need a little bit more force. We go 110. Raises up to 8. Come on. I know we're there. Yes. W. It's fire. I like this. And then we'll add a little bit of that. Maybe. And then instead of direction, I think I do want to pass. Hit and then get it myself. So I just want it to float more. But we're there. Ooh. I feel like that's too slow now. Oops. Why? Huh? Oh, wait, I know. Whoops. Good job, Mark. Marked. Almost done with this gear, I think. Man. Hmm? Yeah. I wonder if I can find like a snowball splat sound or whatever. Let's see. Well, that could work actually. Okay. Not using that. could use that for when it gets fired. Is the pitch changed? Yeah. It is. Okay. So I'll do that. Oh wait, I don't have my sound on. Hold on. Like in game. Let me pause the music. Why am I hearing no sound? Like from the launcher. Why? What? Did I disable it or something? Yeah, the volume's good. Why am I not hearing anything when I shoot it? Oh, now I am. Okay. So that works, I guess. I might go back to 100 on this. Maybe that. Like 95 with that. Go 7.5 and then 100. Cool. I think I want to do this. How will this look? That's fine. think I want like a puff where it lands, like from the snowball disappearing. Man, I'm putting so much work into this for no reason. I still have 4 other gears I need to make. I don't know if I'm gonna get it done in time. This isn't good. It's okay. It'll be fine. Okay. To be like this, yeah. What if I just do smoke? Will that look bad? Like if I just enable, hold on. Let me get really small. No, it's still too big. How do you make smoke smaller? This is way too big. Can you even? Because I know the size thing. But like, okay, apparently you can't make smoke any smaller. That's annoying. I guess we're back to particle emitter. Okay, I should be able to work with this. So we'll go transparency, you want like 0.1. Okay, hello? Ooh. Hold on, I'm kind of cooking with this. Yeah, this could work. I think I might just do this. Put it inside the snowball. And then okay. How does this look? It's not even emitting anything. Ooh, fire. Okay, wait, this is working. Okay, cool. That'll do for now. Hey, all these are done. Okay. Go here, here. Cool, this is the order. So this will be like uncommon, uncommon, rare, 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 legendary, legendary. Wait, no. Exotic, 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 legendary, 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 rare, rare, uncommon, common. No, I think I'll just remove this one. It's whatever. Don't really need it. But yeah. Exotic, 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 legendary, 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 rare, rare, uncommon. Okay. In that case, let me add it. Wait, not gears. I guess snowball launcher. That's how I did that. Okay. How did I do this again? I have to set the primary part of all of them. Which... Okay, that's already set. This also already has a primary part. Nice. This needs one. This one already has one, apparently. I like that. Whoops. Real. If it'll peak like Egg Hobby, I'll be happy. Egg Hobby reached like 700 CCU at one point. Oh, I need to turn back on the lo-fi music. I forgot I turned that off. Or paused it, or whatever. Anyways. How you doing, BNG? You am? You are? I can't speak apparently. You am, bruh. I asked how you doing. You're just doing? What does that mean? I was trying to be like mysterious. What the? Okay. Oh wait, this already has a primary part? Apparently it does. No, it doesn't. This'll be it. Lord. This is gonna be rough. Um, that's crazy. Okay, now to go through. Okay. Oh yeah, this. Oh, I'll be right back for like 2 minutes. Hold on. Hi Kaz, welcome back. I'll be back. Give me a sec. Alright, I'm back. Okay. I need to get the, hold on. I have this little thing. Here we go. Workspace, the items, or no. Items, the coal. Snowball. Present. I should make a plugin that does this, dude. Instead of having to get the code every time and stuff. I could just make a plugin where I just select the object and then press a button and it welds everything. Alright. Yeah. I could like open source it too. Basically the way it works is, for this specifically, the code literally, I set the primary part of all of these, and then the code just loops through, welds every part to the primary part, and then sets can collide of the primary part to true and then all the other parts to false, and same with anchored. And I can make those like optional, like do you want to set the can collide, do you want to set the anchored, all that. Be a pretty easy plugin to make. Maybe on one of these streams I'll code the plugin. That'd be cool. And then I could like open source it. I'll like release it to the public. Cause I don't know why I'd keep that to myself. If anyone wants to use it, they can. I think it'd be a pretty I wonder if anyone's made that actually. It's probably been made. But I could just make it like more customized, I guess. Let's see though. Hold on. Let me go to plugins. Let's search like weld. Auto rig weld, weld parts. I mean, there's some of these that seem like, these are like paid though. Weld constraints. These probably do what I want to do. But I would just make it like better. Yeah. Where you just set the primary part and the plugin does the rest. What do you mean dodging real graphic design? Yeah, I think it's cool, but we're adding more. Like we're doing this Christmas update. I want to add. You can see my to-do list here. So like Christmas update, and then I want to add new rarities. Like admin abuse stuff. Increase the rebirth. I want to add fusing, and then another rarity. Events. Yeah. There are, I will say right now, there's like hourly events. Like there's a thunderstorm that happens every hour. But if you mean events as in like a Christmas event, like a quest to do something or something like that, then yeah. But that's coming with this. There's gonna be like a quest and all that. Anyways. Now, move these into here. And just let me copy it once. And then there goes the dogs again. So let me put this in order. Cole, Snowball. We would have done it earlier, but we only released the game like 2 weeks ago. So, yeah. Alright. Now I gotta put these in order and stuff. So this is gonna be uncommon. Hold on. Exotic, 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 legendary, 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 rare, rare, uncommon. Get all the pictures. Where's the sleigh? There. I think that's all the pictures. How do you scale your GUI, by the way? Just asking because I used to use auto scale light, but recently moved to a new method. I kind of just do it myself. I don't know. Like I'll put in a UI here. So we have like a screen GUI, put in a frame. First thing I'll do is obviously transfer it from offset to scale. So I'll just type like a 1 and it'll be 1010. And then I resize it however I want. And then let's say it's in the middle. I go to anchor point, set the anchor point. And then sometimes I'll just do the aspect ratio constraint myself and then maybe like adjust it until it's like what I want, right? And then with this, you know, it's in the middle, just auto resizes like that. Or if I size the frame and then I don't want to like do it myself, or like it's already set up or whatever, I have this plugin, UI tools, and I go to properties, and then fast scale with relative units, and it automatically puts in a UI aspect ratio constraint with the right aspect ratio. So I have this plugin, UI tools, which is really good. It also transforms from like offset to scale and all that if you want. And you can anchor if you need. Has a lot of stuff. But yeah. I just kind of, I don't know. I have some stuff here for UI strokes. I'll tell you that much. I have my own like scale script for UI strokes and scrolling bars as well. Since those aren't um like they're the same across all screen sizes naturally, because they go off like pixels, not ratio. I don't know. But yeah. Anyways. Okay, I need to make it can spawn false for all of them. We'll also add this. Okay. I basically want this to be like the best stuff in the game. It's like a legendary Christmas would be like better than the base exotic in a way. Dude, I swear. Forget what I made. Is the key the best uncommon? Or is it the plant? It's the key, ain't it? Okay. Wait. Uh, hold on. Is the trophy the best legendary? I thought the guitar was. No, yeah, it is the guitar. Let me start at the top and then work my way down. That'd probably be best. Do I want them to spawn with any effects as well? Like, should the Christmas ones automatically spawn with Frozen? Nah. just do this. Okay. Alright. You know what, I might change this to... Yo, what's up, Gomes? It's a steal a brain rot type game. You can see over here. Maybe I'll show the game in a bit, but currently working on this. It's already out. It's released. You can play it if you want. I'll send the link there. But I'm working on a Christmas update, which is planned to release tomorrow if all goes well. We'll see, I guess. I've been kind of getting distracted though. I need to lock in. Yeah. Do I spend Robux to advertise the game? Yeah. For the most part. Okay, there's that. Now we need to do these. I think I'll do... Yeah. Oh wait, these can spawn. What am I doing? Whatever, I'll fix that. Nice to meet you too, Lukes. Glad you like it. Organization, mostly. I feel like I can organize better when they're all in separate module scripts. It's also just kind of how I was taught when I like worked for the first. I worked like alongside this one programmer like years ago on a simulator, and he was really good. and he did it this way. And I was like, that's kind of smart. So now I do that for like items. How long have I been advertising it? About 2 weeks. I think Sunday will be 2 weeks. Yeah. I do feel like you can organize better with it like this, to be honest. I don't know. Okay. How do you require them all? I have this little thing, item service, and it handles it. So like, you can see like get all items, for example. That involves requiring. I just have like different functions for getting items within this little service. Find item, you can see it like goes through the folders, finds the right item, requires it, returns it. So like, let's see, like right here, right? Let's say I'm getting a product, item service, find item, products, and then the name of the item, which in this case is under this value. Or like, let's see if I can find another example. Loot box service is like when I'm opening loot boxes. Another example, item service, find item, and then yeah, it returns the required module. Yeah, thank you. I think it's a pretty neat system. I'm proud of it. Okay, Christmas themed items now spawn. So there's that done. I need to do the index. I also need to go soon. I have like 10 minutes-ish. Maybe a little over 10 minutes. So I'll get this index thing done and then, yeah. I should be able to get this done in 10 minutes. Just create an index for the Christmas items. You know what? Whoops. Oh, I hate this because like I think the color of this 255, 255, 255. I think that's literally the color of the shocked one, which is annoying. I don't want to use the same color. I could do a gradient, I guess, on the text, make it like red and green. That'd be pretty cool. So do this, and then we'll red and green gradient. Yeah. Make it like this. I don't know how good this will look. Why is it not enough? There's not like much red like this. Huh? Why does it like start there? That's weird. Why is it like that? Anyone know? Why it doesn't, like, why there's not red on the far left? Why doesn't it start at 1? It's like it starts like here. And this ends like here. I'll do like 2 to 8, I guess. That could work. And then just do that. And I don't really like how that looks though. It's kind of ugly. I don't hate it, I guess. Dude, it's kind of trippy. Is anyone else seeing that? When I like move my head away from the screen, it looks like it's like going up and down. Am I tripping, bruh? It looks weird. I don't know, it could work though. Maybe I'll even make the button slightly bigger than the rest. And then I'll add a little countdown for when it ends or something. Or like I don't know, something like this. Nah, I lied. And then index controller. do you mean I don't have anything? What are you talking about? Oh, if not effect, then button dot product type dot text color 3. Is it text color 3? Yeah. Bro, I gotta go. I gotta hurry. I think this should work, though. Like, I think this should be good. Maybe. I don't know. Let's test it. Okay. Nope, it doesn't work. Interesting. and then I have to make this specific to event. If button has tag event and item.data.event does not equal button.name, then did even. Wait, this might work. Dude, I still have to do the quest and the gears and the freaking front. Dude, I'm gonna have to stream later and work and whatever. I don't have to stream, I guess, technically. Oh my gosh, this is working though. Let's go. Wait, let's go. Fire. Okay. That's good. Wonder, are they spawning though? Coal, they are spawning. Wait, so if I get this, it should be added to my index. Oh my gosh, it's working. It's working. Let's go. Dude, that's massive. Okay. Yeah, I'm probably gonna be back later if anyone wants to watch me, you know, do this for another 3 hours. But I gotta go right now. I need to get this done though, so no matter what, I'm working again later tonight and probably early tomorrow, right before we release. Cause you can see, like, I've got this done. Like, I've got all the checkmark stuff done, but like, I still got this to do. Technically, like, this stuff isn't a need. Like, I could go without this. Same with this, but this at least, like the quest, I'm probably gonna do that first thing, and the gears, the quest and the gears. I need to do those. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Glad you could get your admin system working and stuff. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time if you show up to anything. It's okay if you don't though. But yeah, okay, bye.